find Ruthie in the inner tube.
Alright, let's knock Grandma loose here. Careful, Grandma.
Oh God. I'm stuck.
Sam should be around any second. You okay?
No. Much better now. Fucking flopped in and it sucked me down like a freaking corkscrew.
Mine's already.
There's a Sam looking on it.
Huh?
Huh?
There's a Sam that's on it.
Sam's getting on what we got on.
Take her over by the shade.
Oh,
You.
I'm fine.
I am going to be going back with some color, but not much. The dragonfly. Pretty color one. Matches the tube.
She's here?
Yeah, just when you go by the steps, make sure. That's the way to do it. Now you could just like lean across like that.
See Samantha yet?
Grab that one. Wait, grab that one. Go, go, go.
We're running after it. We're running after it.
Kim, there's two. Go.
There'll be more. Do you see her?